Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting tools and locating the adjuster. Do this now. Remove the trim or access panel and expose the adjuster gear. Keep screws organized. Once the adjuster housing is visible, mark the headlight center line so you can restore aim later. While you work, make sure to disconnect the battery for safety and to prevent accidental motor movement. If you hit plastic clips, pry gently, don't force them. From here, you're ready to inspect the adjuster assembly closely. Now inspect the adjuster carefully. Look for stripped teeth, cracked plastic, or a seized motor. If teeth are intact but stiff, spray penetrating oil and work the gear slowly to free it. This prevents sudden failures later. If plastic teeth are missing or the motor hums without movement, replace that component. Use the exact part or a compatible kit. Make sure to clean grit from the housing, apply a light silicone lubricant, and verify the adjuster rotates smoothly before you move on to final reassembly. Finish by reinstalling the housing and trim, tightening screws to the recommended torque, and reconnecting the battery. Once assembled, follow a headlight aiming procedure. Park at measured distance, illuminate a wall, and adjust until beams match specifications. Make test drives at night to confirm pattern and avoid glare. If alignment drifts or the motor doesn't respond, check linkage and electrical connectors. Ensure motor polarity is correct and replace the motor or adjuster if needed. That single
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.